welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. To my 130 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support, and my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I know that one day you're going to subscribe to our channel, because on this channel I do share class like lifestyle, healthy lifestyle, how you can grow your crown and how to have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients. So you can check it out. You can check out other videos which we have done. So in today's video, I'm so thrilled because you know what, we are going to make thyme moringa hair moisturizer or hair mist, for massive hair growth, which can help your hair to grow, yes, and to moisturize your hair. Because you know what, when you moisturize your hair, you don't have to be worried about shrinkage, because you know what, it means your hair is healthy. And moisturized hair actually will prevent breakage. It's actually less prone to breakage. Yes, so if you want to make this beautiful hair mist for hair growth, make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So we are going to use 2 grams of moringa and 2 grams of thyme, and then we are going to mix. So moringa contains both vitamin A and that nourish the hair and promote growth. Moringa contains high contents of vitamin A that's supporting hair growth. Vitamin A plays a very important role in developing of healthy cells and tissues in the body and reducing hair loss. Vitamin A deficiency causes like thinning of the scalp, the thickness of the scalp, dry hair, and dandruff, meaning using moringa helps moisturize your hair and keep off dandruff. Vitamin A also stimulates the production of sebum from the sebaceous glands. Vitamin B aids in creating red blood cells, which carry oxygen and nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles. Proper blood circulation in the scalp helps hair follicles to grow and stay healthy and strong. Thyme is good to treat dandruff, darken the color of hair. Thyme herb is rich in potassium, magnesium, and selenium, so it can activate the follicles, leading to hair growth, and as well as it contains antiseptic and antimicrobial and fungal properties to maintain healthy of the scalp. So you have to let it simmer for at least 15 minutes and cover it with aluminum foil. So that is how it looks like after covering it with aluminum foil. So at this point we are going to strain it. Make sure that you get a fine strainer so that you don't have any herbs in your final product. So like moringa has many vitamins and it has iron, so moringa prevents hair loss and is one of the top vegetable source of iron much. It's a suitable herb for natural hair growth. According to various medical journals, iron deficiency has been associated with hair loss. So iron boosts oxygen circulation in the blood all the way to the scalp. When your scalp has sufficient supply of oxygen for hair follicles grow better. So now we are putting it in our spray bottle, and at this point you can actually customize it. So that is how it looks like. Yes, it looks also so lovely. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So at this point I'm going to add in lavender essential oil. You can actually use any essential oil that you have. So lavender promotes hair growth. It calms the scalp and prevents itchiness of the scalp. That's the reason why we are adding it. And we're also going to add 1% of a natural preservative. Actually, I'm using UT 712. Yes, so if you don't have a preservative, you can store it in the fridge for 5 to 6 days and then you discard it. So at this moment, we are ready to shake it. Make sure that you shake it so that it's well combined. So like both herbs, they promote hair growth and they are rich in amino acids that like blocks all of body cells. So like for moringa contains vitamin C and E, which are powerful antioxidants that aid in fighting against dandruff or damaging free radicals. So free radicals get into the body from both the inside and outside, causing hair to weaken and even turn gray hair. So the omega-3 in moringa nourishes the hair and helps thicken the hair, and they help the strands to have fatty acids which promote hair growth. So now at this point, like after spraying it, you can use an oil to seal in the moisture, or you can just use the hairspray on its own. It still works. It will actually moisturize your hair, hence preventing breakage. Yes, so like I love low manipulation hairstyles which do not wreak havoc on my hair. Like if you've been long on this channel, like I don't do high maintenance hairstyles. Probably in the future we are going to consider that, but at the moment I only do low manipulation hairstyles. So are you going to make this massive hairspray for your hair? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video. Bye bye.